Hello and welcome to MHT. Fall, with its breathtaking foliage and crisp air, invites us to embrace a healthier lifestyle through the bountiful and nutritious foods it offers. In this video, I'm delighted to share some of my favorite healthy fall recipes, perfect for embracing the flavors of the season. Roasted Butternut Squash Salad. As the leaves change, indulge in the vibrant colors and flavors of fall with our roasted butternut squash salad. Here's what you'll need. 1 large bunch lacinato kale, 2 cup spring mix, a half cup dried cranberries, 1/3 cup olives, a half cup walnuts, 1 red or yellow bell pepper, 1 small butternut squash, 1 tablespoon olive oil, a half teaspoon salt, a half teaspoon pepper. For dressing, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons vinegar, a half teaspoon salt, freshly ground black pepper to taste. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare the butternut squash and walnuts, roasting them until tender and golden. Slice the kale, soak the cranberries, and prepare the remaining salad ingredients. Mix the dressing in a bowl, toss all the ingredients together, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before serving. Creamy turkey and vegetable soup. As the temperatures drop, warm up with our creamy turkey and vegetable soup. For this soup you will need 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1½ cups chopped leek, 1 cup sliced carrots, 1 cup sliced celery, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 2 teaspoons thyme leaves, 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 4 cups unsalted chicken or turkey broth, 2 cups whole milk, 8 ounces unpeeled potato, a half teaspoon salt, a half teaspoon ground pepper, 4 cups coarsely chopped roasted turkey, 1 cup green peas. Sauté leeks, carrots, and celery. Add garlic and thyme. Stir in flour, then add broth, milk, potatoes, salt, and pepper. Bring to a boil, then simmer until potatoes are tender. Stir in turkey and peas, simmer until heated through. Serve with celery leaves, thyme, and cracked pepper. Pumpkin Energy Bites. For a quick and easy fall breakfast, try our Pumpkin Energy Bites. You will need a half cup cashew butter or creamy almond butter, 1/3 cup canned pumpkin, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup dried dates, 1¼ cups oats, 3 tablespoons toasted unsalted pepitas, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 2 teaspoons pumpkin pie spice, a half teaspoon salt. Whisk together cashew butter, pumpkin, and vanilla. Process dates, oats, pepitas, chia seeds, pumpkin pie spice, and salt. Combine with pumpkin mixture, roll into bowls, and refrigerate. Kashmiri Kahwa. And to end your fall day, savor a cup of Kashmiri Kahwa. You will need 2 cups water, 2 inches cinnamon, 2 green cardamoms, 2 cloves, 5 to 6 dried rose petals, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon green tea leaves, 4 to 5 almonds, sliced or crushed, 10 to 12 saffron strands. Boil water with ground spices and rose petals, add sugar. Add green tea, steep for 3 minutes, then strain. Garnish with saffron strips and chopped almonds. With these healthy fall recipes, you can savor the autumnal delights guilt-free. Which recipe are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more wholesome recipes. Happy cooking!